Okay, hey y'all. So this is the another example I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna go through like two more. So I'm not able to highlight on this as easily, just so you know, because it's not on Classkick. It's a PDF, but hopefully it's still helpful for you. So look at this problem right here. John joined a gym for the first 10 years of his membership. His annual membership fee can be modeled by the equation that where Y is the annual fee in dollars and X is the number of years he has belonged to the gym. Based on the equation, which of the following must be true? So off the bat, I'm going to highlight my variable if it'll let me do it properly. Looks like it's not. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to try to just highlight. Yep, here we go. Okay, so Y is the annual fee in dollars, X is the number of years he has belonged to the gym. And then this is also important. It's the equation. Just off the bat, I already know that if X is the number of years, then my 20 is probably going to be something that's per year. Also, I notice it's negative. So if it's negative, that means it's going to be something coming off of whatever Y is. And what is Y? Y is the annual fee. So that means something per year being taken away from the annual fee. See how I just did that? Y is the annual fee, X is years, and then 20 is the coefficient with X, and it's negative. So it means it's 20 is something per year, and it's being taken away from the annual fee. So now I'm looking at my answers for something that talks about that. Okay, John pays an annual fee of $230 for the first 10 years. No, nothing we can do with that. After 10 years, you will not have to pay membership fee. Maybe I'll put that as a possibility. For each successive year of the first 10 years of his membership, John's annual fee will decrease. That makes sense because it's being taken away from the annual fee. Decrease is a kind of a key word there. And the same D is the same option, but with increase, and it's not increase because as we already see, it's negative. So that's my answer, C. Okay. Looking at the other one I want to do is number 3 and number 4. I'm trying to do this kind of quickly here. So high school's student council books a local event venue for the prom. The total cost of the prom can be estimated by the equation y equals 50x plus 400. X is number of students who attend prom. Y is total cost of the venue rental. Okay, so off the bat I can see like the total cost is Y, X is the number of students, so 50 is probably something like per student or for each a student, something of that nature. Those type of words is what we're looking for. The venue has a capacity of 80 people. Nothing with 80 going on in that whole equation. The prom will cost an average of more than $50 for each student attending. Each is a key word, so I'm probably coming there, but this more than $50, it just says 50, so I don't know. Prom will cost a total of $8,000. That's not anywhere in here. The prom will cost, at most cost, $9,000. That's also not anywhere in the thing. Now, why does it say more than 50? It says it's because of the fact that there's this 4,000 here. So that means that even though it's $50 per student, there's also a $4,000 flat cost. And so that tells us that it's going to be more than. Okay. So, but the thing is, even if you didn't catch that, this is the only one that has the each and 50 come like right next to each other, and the other ones don't. None of them make any sense. They're all making you solve something here. They didn't give you the stuff. All these types of problems, they're going to give you the information. You don't have to solve anything because it says based on the equation. Okay, last one we're going to do is number 4. A sushi restaurant charges $3 for each piece of nigiri and $10 for each maki roll. What is the meaning of the number 38 in the equation below? So kind of just put simply, $3 for each nigiri means this is probably going to be my X, because it says 3X, and then $10 for each maki, so that's probably going to be my Y. 38, I'm thinking $3 per the nigiri, $10 per the maki, add it all together, that's probably my total cost, right? The price for 38 is probably going to be the total price I've spent for everything. And then we see the options are a bunch of basically that idea. What do we know though? We know that 3 is for $3, 10 is for $10. So we already know that they can't be for the number of pieces of each roll. So A and B are out. If the nigiri is $3, then that means the X is the nigiri. There's no way for me to write on this, but yeah. So then basically knowing that $3 nigiri, X nigiri, that has to be paired together, the 3 and the X. So my answer is C. Okay, I know I rushed through that kind of, so definitely reach out if you have questions, and if that was kind of too fast for you, totally understandable. It was meant to be kind of fast. You can go back, rewind. Obviously, all these are on YouTube.